everybody, how do you do? Yes, I'm dressed in one of the most famous uniforms. Woo! One of the most famous uniforms, one of the most famous uniforms of the bar industry. Yes, I was working in a bar named Roadhouse. Roadhouse has been closed, unfortunately, but I didn't say my last words and I didn't do my last shift. So why am I here? I'm gonna show you whole menu of the cocktails from the Roadhouse. I'm gonna be showing you the cocktails from my angle, from bartender perspective, so you bartenders or non-bartenders, you can see what is it to make the cocktails with a style. Let's bring some memories and let's learn those cocktails which we've been serving you for more than 3 generations. This was too much. How guys? Hi guys, how you doing? How do you do? Hello everybody. Welcome to my new video series where I'm gonna be bringing you all the videos. Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome back to another video where in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Roadhouse famous cocktails in... Hello everybody, how do you do? Welcome to my YouTube video. Right now, how do you do? Famous cocktails we've been serving you since uniform in bar industry. Thanks for watching. If you want to see previous video, just click right here. Or if you want to see a new video, just click right here. Till next time, be awesome, keep practicing. See you next Tuesday.